Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing, like and share. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make and to use onion juice to repair and to promote your hair growth. Onion juice contain sulfur, which provide extra sulfur to your hair for strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. As you can see, I don't have a hairline and I need it to grow back, so I'm going to apply this onion juice once per week. These are my onions, and as you can see, I'm using 2 red onions. So the first step, I'm going to peel them so that I can remove those dry parts. After peeling my onions, I'm going to grate them using my grater. Please follow this video carefully and keenly so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to do. I may not be able to explain in details, but you can follow it and get to understand and to know what I'm doing. If you have a question, please comment on my comment section so that I can answer all your questions. After grating my onions, this is what I get. So let us move to the next step, where I'm going to use a clean cloth to sieve my juice or to squeeze it out.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more.
After squeezing out my juice, this is what I get. And this is pure onion juice. It does not contain any water, no water added. So this is my container where I'm going to put in this juice so that it can be easy for application. So please, after this step, I'm going to apply my juice on my hair and make sure that I massage it from the root to the top. Please keep on watching. After applying my onion juice on my hair, I'm going to put on my shower cap for 20 to 30 minutes, and after that I'm going to wash it using a shampoo and a hair conditioner. So after that, your hair is good to go. Please consider subscribing, comment, like and share. Bye bye, see you next time.
With the positivity, that's why I don't